Hello. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Owi Mike. If you're new to this channel, this is DIY Hub TV with Owi Mike, where I share legitimate and fun ways to making money online. I also share recipes and I share crafts. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if this video gives you any form of value, and also subscribe to this channel. Your subscription will encourage me to bring more and more value adding and money making content like this your way, and it will also help YouTube to suggest these videos to other people that are looking for things like this. Also, tap on that notification bell so that whenever I bring money making and valuable content like this your way, you will be notified by YouTube. Thank you. Let's dive into what we have for today. Good day. Welcome to eDesign and Craft Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to make a circular purse. What you need for this is your material and your lining. I'm using another Ankara as my lining. This is my lining and this is my main material. I'm going to combine this material with this. And then you also need your wording. So the first thing you do is you pick your size of zipper. Your zipper will determine the size of your circular purse. So I used this plastic cover to cut out my circular part. So I didn't take a measurement. I just looked for something that is a little bit smaller than my zipper. That's what you do. So I cut out this circular part. I cut out two of them. After cutting out the two of them, I now folded this one in two and divided it into two half moons. And then I gummed my wording. After that, I used the same pattern to cut out my linings. These are my linings. So to make our purse, the first thing I'll do is I'll place this half part and then I'll turn my lining the right side facing the material, and then I'll put my lining on top. So I'm going to sew my zip in between the main body of this purse and the lining. This is my lining. This is my main body of the bag that has the wording. So I'm going to place the zip here, and then I'll place this one on top, and then I'll stitch. I'm going to do that. After stitching, I'll turn the lining inside, and then I'll turn the zip. I'm going to do that. I'll come back to show you what it looks like. So I've done that for this part. I'm going to do the same thing for this other part. I'm going to place the zipper here, and then I'm going to place the zipper here, and then I'll sew my lining on top. I'll sew my lining on top, and then I'll turn. After turning, I'm going to run a stitch the way I did here. I ran a stitch on top to hold it together. I'm going to do that and then come back and tell you what next to do. So I finished doing the second side. I've done the same thing I did for the other side to the second side, as you can see. So the next thing I'll do now is I'll place this other side of the purse on top of here. Ensure your zipper is open a little. If not, you'll not be able to turn. Ensure your zipper is open a little. I'm going to place this on top of here. Then I'm going to cover it with my lining, and then I'll stitch around. I'm going to do that. I'll come back to show you what we have. I've placed this other material here, and then I placed the lining on top to cover the wording. I'm going to stitch around, Then I'll come back to show you what we have. Okay, I finished sewing round, as you can see. Finished sewing round. So the next thing I'll do, remember I said you should keep your zipper open before you start joining to close. If you don't keep your zipper open, it will be hard to turn it around. So the next thing I'll do now is I'll turn around and then show you what next to do. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like after turning. This is what we have. You can make this the size of your phone, so you can use it as your phone pouch. Very nice. So the next one, the circular purse is ready. You can use it as a phone pouch. So thanks for watching. Remember, this is eDesign and Craft Tutorials. See you in the next class.
Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. We really appreciate you. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel to encourage me bring more and more value adding and money making content like this your way. Also tap on that notification button so that whenever I bring content like this, you'll be notified by YouTube. Thank you. Bye.